Paano makaiwas sa leptospirosis? Huwag lumusong sa baha. Pero what if binaha yung bahay nyo, tapos no choice ka talagang lumusong? Based on the CPG guidelines for leptospirosis, it is recommended to take doxycycline for post-exposure prophylaxis, or in simple terms, after mong lumusong sa baha. There are 3 categories and each have different ways of taking doxycycline. The first one is low-risk exposure. Isang beses ka lang lumusong sa baha at walang sugat or galos sa balat. Take 2 capsules of doxycycline 100 mg within 24 to 72 hours after mong lumusong sa baha. The second category is moderate risk exposure. Isang beses ka lang lumusong sa baha pero may sugat or galos sa balat or nakainom ng tubig baha. Simulan mag-take ng 2 capsules of doxycycline 100 mg once a day for 3 to 5 days within 24 to 72 hours after mong lumusong sa baha. The last category is high-risk exposure. Dito naman, mahigit isang beses kang lumusong sa baha or maraming araw na nasa baha or lumangoy ka sa baha. Take 2 capsules of doxycycline 100 mg once a week hanggang hindi ka na lumulusong sa baha. By the way, kailangan nyo muna magpa-consult sa doktor para mabigyan kayo ng reseta for doxycycline. Kaya dapat magpa-consult agad if lumusong ka sa baha, may sugat man or wala. Always remember, health is wealth and prevention is better than cure.